Welcome everyone. My name is Sashank, a full stack web developer with a passion for building simple and beautiful user interfaces. Today we will see how to build a Slideover using Vue.js and Tailwind CSS. If you haven't heard of a Slideover, it's a UI element that slides in from the edge of a screen to display content or interactive components without navigating away from the current page. It's often used to present additional information, forms, menus, etc. Let's see how we use a slide over and build one. So here I have some fictional team members, and when I click on one of them, we can see that there is more information coming from the right on a slide over. And when we click on this X mark icon, it goes away. We can also click anywhere outside this div with the members to close the slide over. We even have a dark mode in this. Before we dive into the code, I want you to know that you can get this code for free on my website. I would appreciate your support by subscribing to this channel, which motivates me to build more components for you. Coming to the code, the structure is very simple. We have a flex container which holds the names and photos of some fictional team members, and a fixed section that slides in from the right side of the screen. Let's check the script before we see how the logic is implemented. We have four variables: show menu to open and close the slide over, member data to reference a container, so when we click outside of that area, the slide over closes automatically. Then selected user to hold the value of the member who is clicked to open their profile in the slide over. Then team members, which is an array holding the members data such as name, image, and more. Coming to the functions, we have the handle user click function to select a user, and when a user is selected, the slide over is opened. And we have the close slide over function that closes the slide over based on a click event outside of the reference to member data. We use onMounted to add the click event listener and onUnmounted to remove it, avoiding bugs later on. Let's go back up into the template. Here is the ref with member data. If we click outside of this div, the slide over closes. And I used v4 to loop through the members in the team members array. And for each member, we are assigning this handle user click function. So when it is clicked, we are triggering this handle user click function, which is selecting the user and opening the slide over. Inside this fixed container, we have an icon that closes the slide over when clicked, and we did some basic styling to the user. The slide over is shown only when there is a selected user and the show menu is true. We are wrapping the slide over with a transition API, applying a slide fade animation. The transition styles are defined at the bottom using the transition API syntax. That's all. It is a very simple component but very useful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this code breakdown, be sure to like and leave a comment with your feedback. Stay tuned for more Vue.js and Tailwind CSS content, and I'll see you in the next video.